Hey, how's it going, everybody? I am putting together a compost bin today. Just pulled everything out of the box. Comes with some pretty clear directions as well. And really all we're going to do for starters, here's the fasteners too, but for starters we're going to take those two sides and then just set up our first panel that spans in between them, and then screw in those little screws, those little Phillips screws. Super easy. It helps if you have two people, especially on the first step. One person can hold one side, the other person can hold the other, and then you put the panels on. And the panels just all overlap each other, and then you want to put that centerpiece in before you get too many of them on too. It won't go in if you have it, too closed off. So here's the final piece. And they all just kind of slide in together and fasten together simply with the little Phillips screws. And these are the shutters for it. They actually work really good. It's a tight fit, but it's really good. And here we're just going ahead and finishing fastening down the screws. Now here's the frame for it, the stand. And it's kind of self-evident how the thing goes together. Curved pieces go on top there, and you're going to have a piece that's got to hold up the compost bin itself so it can rotate. So you just slide that down the center there. Sometimes you have to guide it through the hole in the center and then out the other side. There's the screws that go down through that center post or pole to each side. This thing's really easy to put together. And there's the caps for the side. Here it is, all done. Had this thing together pretty darn quick. And then here's the shutters for it. And it just rotates really easily and quietly too. Now we're just adding some compost to it. We got this filled up. We got a whole bunch of grass clippings in there too, and then vegetable scraps. And here it is after about 6 weeks. And we're going ahead and spinning it. We do this every couple days. All right, here it is after 6 weeks. Got some good compost in there. Doesn't even stink, believe it or not. Kind of just smells a little musty, that's it. So just go ahead and add this and mix it with our soil. Really happy with this thing. Thanks for watching, everybody.